And we're back for another week. Well, guys, this week we are hopping on a ship going across the Atlantic. To where? Spain. We're making a Spanish gin and tonic. Hi guys, we're gonna get nice and close right now. Now I know what you're saying. Freddie, what kind of Applebee's are you running there? Next thing you know, you'll be making blue drinks with sharks in them, pulling out the goblets, making pure sour and sweet stuff.
Welcome to Thunderdome, bitch.
But Freddie, at this point, I think you'd be able to make something a little bit more creative than a gin and tonic. That's something a kid could make. To that I say, a Spanish gin and tonic is far from your run-of-the-mill gin and tonic. Don't worry, you'll see. So the story goes that the Spanish gin and tonic was created by Spanish chefs that love their gin and tonics, but wanted to spruce them up a little bit. What do chefs do? Be creative. So these Spanish chefs, they were getting their gin and tonics. Apparently they were running back to the kitchen, cutting up cucumbers, fruit, herbs, throwing some spices in there, and they were making their Spanish gin and tonics. So my first encounter with the Spanish gin and tonic was in Barcelona. On the beach, sightseeing all day. So I ordered this gin and tonic, thinking that I was just going to get your run-of-the-mill American gin and tonic, which is fine, but you know what it is. Gin, tonic, throw some lime in there, give it to you. Normally comes in a pint glass or a highball glass, and you're ready to go. Just say that what I was given that day was an adventure in a glass. Now we're going to talk about the differences. First main difference, it's not coming in a pint glass or a highball glass. More than likely you're going to get it in a goblet or like a big wine glass. Both of them should help you bring some of the smells and help you taste it a little bit better. A big difference is the fact that they're using good gin and good tonic. You're not getting rail gin and you're not getting tonic out of a gun. The other huge difference, it's not just coming with a lime. Most of the time it's coming with multiple citruses, maybe some fruit sometimes, some herbs, spices. So then your experience turns ethereal. And then you're running through a juniper-laden forest with lemon trees around. There's star anise pops and little pieces of pepper just popping in your nose. Then you get hit with some mint, maybe some basil. I'm starting to drool just thinking about it. So, we need one now. I just got done mowing the grass. It's hot. I need this in my life. Alright, so we have our big balloon. It's a big one. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe I put half a bottle of wine in this before without it like coming close to being full. But it's a big glass. What are you gonna do? It's a parlor trick. Just throw our ice in here. We're gonna grab our garnishes. You can do this prior to putting the ice in, but then it would all end up. That's no fun. Just to be able to see the stuff. Take a couple slices of lime, put those in there. Pinch of pink peppercorns, and then pinch of juniper berries. And there, it's pretty easy. We're going to use our gin. This is Sip Smith. Very, very nice. We're going to do 2 ounces of that. So the next thing we do is our tonic. This is Fever Tree. It's pretty readily available everywhere, so not hard to find. There's probably some better ones out there, but you have to order them. I bet you guys didn't know that I had a bottle of brown beside this. So then, you can do 4 to 6 ounces. This is a 6-ounce bottle, so. So we're going to do some orange bitters. And then we're going to do some Angostura. So then, just gonna stir this up a little bit to get everything mingling. Then the last thing I wanted to add was this nice little sprig of rosemary, which we're gonna have some fun with this one. Crisp it up a little bit. We're just gonna wipe it around the glass a little bit and then drop it in. Rosemary really rounds it out. I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, baby. It's a tasty treat on a Friday in the heat. Oh! I did that on the spot. What's up? It's that time again. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell right here. And, treat yourself. It's a tasty one. Cheers, guys. Happy Friday. Woo! I'm a klutz. I'll drop it.